Gamers, brace yourselves. 2026 might be the most expensive year to build a PC in history. RAM, SSDs, and GPUs are hitting record highs, and shortages are making it worse. If you're planning a new build, this is what you need to know before your wallet suffers. In this video, we're breaking down why PC hardware prices are soaring in 2026, which components are the worst affected, and how this impacts gamers worldwide. Stick around till the end. We'll also give tips to save money if you're building a PC this year. Let's start with RAM. Over the last 6 months, DRAM prices have surged by over 30%. Why? AI servers and data centers are consuming massive amounts of memory, leaving fewer chips for consumers. For gamers, this means even mid-range RAM kits are suddenly much more expensive. A kit that cost $80 last year can now easily hit $120 or more. What makes this worse is timing. Modern games are already demanding more RAM, not less, so gamers aren't upgrading for luxury. They're upgrading just to keep up. 2 years ago, 16 GB was enough. In 2026, 32 GB is becoming the new normal, and that doubles the cost overnight. And if you think RAM prices are bad, storage is about to get worse. In NAND flash, the key component in SSDs is in short supply. Manufacturers are prioritizing enterprise and AI demand over consumer drives. The result? 1 TB SSDs that once cost around $80 are now averaging $120, $130. Even upgrading your existing rig is now a significant expense. What makes this even worse is that storage isn't optional anymore. Modern games regularly exceed 100 gigabytes, forcing players to upgrade just to install new titles. And when SSD prices rise, it creates a chain reaction. Slower upgrades, fewer builds, and gamers holding on to outdated hardware longer. But storage isn't the end of it. The real pressure is coming from graphics cards. Graphics cards are feeling the pinch the most. With AI chip production prioritized, gaming GPUs are in short supply. Even the RTX 4070 or AMD RX 7800 have jumped 40% above MSRP. Gamers looking for high-end builds are either paying more or waiting months for stock. And with next-gen releases delayed, there's little relief in sight. What's alarming is that this isn't just a high-end problem anymore. Even mid-range GPUs are drifting into luxury pricing. As new cards become scarce, the used market tightens too, pushing prices up even for older GPUs. So if prices are rising everywhere, the real question becomes, how do gamers adapt? It's not just individual components. The PC market is shifting. Manufacturers are focusing on enterprise and AI workloads, allocating chips for servers rather than consumer PCs. This means slower availability for new CPUs and GPUs, higher prices, and an overall squeeze for PC gamers worldwide. 2026 could be a year where waiting is actually better than buying. And this shift isn't temporary. AI infrastructure is a long-term priority, which means consumer PC hardware may stay constrained well beyond 2026. Casual and budget gamers feel this squeeze the most. Fewer affordable options, longer upgrade cycles, and tougher choices. So with the market stacked like this, gamers have to think differently moving forward. So what can you do if you're planning a PC build this year? First, consider buying used or refurbished components. Many gamers are upgrading slowly, freeing up older parts. Second, be strategic. Look for deals, bundles, or previous-gen GPUs that are still powerful but more affordable. And finally, if you can wait, delaying your build might be the wisest choice until supply catches up and prices stabilize. 2026 is shaping up to be one of the toughest years for PC gamers. Prices are rising, shortages are real, and planning your build has never been more critical. What about you? Are you building a PC this year or waiting it out? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.